Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a day in the life. I've got a bunch of stuff I need to get done today. Some cleaning, some organizing, some errands, all the good stuff. Laundry as always. So I have everything just kind of written down. I already have the kids to school. I need to go to the dollar store to get the last bit of things for Layton's teacher gifts. So I'll share that with you. I am doing a podcast today, so I will be doing that at 11, so I'm very excited about that. I've never done a podcast before. And then we just have like t-ball tonight. We've got just some like errands and different stuff to do. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Tomorrow I'm going to be filming a massive BJ's haul. I ordered so much stuff. It's crazy. So I also have some summer ideas for like kids and snacks and all of that coming as well. So make sure you guys are subscribed and let's get our day started. All right, so I am home now. I grabbed some breakfast while I was out. I just grabbed an egg white veggie like wake up wrap from Dunks. Those are really good and they don't make me feel like too full or they're not greasy or anything like that. They're really good. So I got everything for Layton's teachers, and I also stopped at our local garden center and I got the rest of my veggies that I've been looking for. The only thing I can't find is celery, so I tried to grow it from seed. I didn't take. So but while I was gone in Maine, all of my broccoli got gross. It like grew triple the size in literally the 3 days I was gone. And with like the rain and the extreme heat that we've had here in Massachusetts. So I have to cut off and throw away like 3 heads of my broccoli. I'm so sad. But we're gonna go bring this out. We're gonna plant this stuff and I have about an hour and a half, a little left. So this is what happened to my broccoli. So I'm gonna cut these off and hopefully new ones will sprout. But I have this one, which is big and still good, and also this one, which can grow a little bit more, but this one and this one, no good. They're already starting to flower, which is a super bummer, but my lettuce got huge. I need to pull a ton of that back, and also my spinach, and get everything else planted. Let's see if we've got, I don't think I have any green beans yet. No, not yet, but they're all flowering, which is super exciting. There's now a frizzy mess now that I did all that gardening, but I got a ton of stuff from my garden. I just need to put it all, like get it all rinsed off, put it in like the colander in the sink and wash everything off, which I'm gonna use my big one up here so I can let everything just kind of rest in the sink. I'm gonna put you down while I grab it.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. That everything seems to crumble around you. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to trust into us.
Okay, now we are going to do the teacher gifts. I'll show you everything that I got from them. I think I showed this in another video, but I got these little Amazon gift cards with like the little flowers. And then I just went to the dollar store and I got these little planters from them. I got 4 of those because she has 2 directors and 2 teachers. So I'm just going to put these little flowers that I got in there. And then a pair of these gardening gloves. Something like that. And then with the gift card inside. So it will look like that. And then I also grabbed some thank you cards that I'm gonna have Layton fill out for her teachers. So let me get all of these put together and then you can kind of see a little bit better how they will look.
We will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now that everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this.
Look at how cute those turned out. Those are absolutely adorable. And I just have, like I said, an Amazon gift card in there. And then I got these little brown paper bags with some gift tissue paper. And I'll put those in there and give it to them. These are so cute.
But you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
I did the podcast. That went really well. Austin's home from school. We just had lunch. He's being crazy. See? But let me see my to-do list here. Come on, Austin, go grab me the vacuum. All right. Can you vacuum for me? Thank you. So obviously I got the kids to school. I got everything I needed at the dollar store. I have to do the laundry. Got the podcast done. Austin's home from school. I have to call and pay a dentist bill. I need to wash the floors and edit a video. And I have a load of laundry. I'm gonna get the laundry done before we need to leave to pick up Lee.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. Best for you. For you.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day and I didn't finish my to-do list. I'm not gonna lie. I was supposed to I paid some bills. I did get that done, like just on my phone, and I didn't wash my floors, and I still haven't done that yet because I'm gonna do a ton of meal prepping right now, so I'm probably gonna spill stuff on the floor, so it really doesn't make sense to do that. And we went to a friend's house and went in the pool, and then Kevin got home from work, so we came back home and we went in our pool here and just hung out, and then we went to t-ball and just kind of had a nice family night. But it's okay sometimes to not always finish your to-do list. I try to always be productive and all of that, but you also want to like live life, and if opportunities come up that you can go and have fun with your kids and your family, like definitely do it. So thank you guys so much for watching this day in the life video and just getting some cleaning and all of that good stuff done, and not finishing it all, of course. But thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.